gentlemen, welcome to the main event.
Today we're diving into how Congress is trying to overhaul the way the Department of Defense evaluates contractors. This could shake up the whole defense industry, right?
Absolutely. The House and Senate are both looking at reforms that could really change the way contractor performance is measured. Why do you think this is happening now?
There's been a lot of criticism that the current system is outdated and not transparent enough. Some say it's hard to tell if contractors are really delivering value.
I've read that too. Plus, the stakes are huge. Billions are spent on these contracts. If evaluations aren't accurate, taxpayers could be losing out.
Exactly. And it's not just about money. Performance issues can actually affect national security. Imagine a delayed weapons system.
That's a scary thought. Lawmakers are worried about things like favoritism or inconsistent scoring. Do you think new legislation can fix that?
If done right, maybe. They're talking about standardized metrics, making everything more data-driven. But I wonder how contractors feel about all this scrutiny.
I bet it's a mixed bag. Some might welcome clearer expectations, but others could be nervous about stricter oversight. Do you think transparency will actually improve trust?
It might help. If everyone knows the rules and the process, it's harder for anyone to game the system. Still, changing a huge bureaucracy like DoD isn't easy.
No kidding. I'm curious how these reforms would handle innovation. Would stricter evaluations discourage risk-taking?
That's a good question. If contractors are penalized for every little hiccup, they might play it safe, which isn't always good for progress.
On the other hand, some accountability is needed. Remember that infamous story where the Pentagon paid $600 for a toilet seat?
Who could forget? That's exactly why people want more oversight. But too much red tape could slow things down.
It's a balancing act, for sure. I heard Congress also wants to improve feedback for contractors, so they know how to get better.
That's smart. Constructive feedback can help companies improve, rather than just punishing them for mistakes.
Right. And they're considering more public reporting, too. That could put pressure on underperformers, but could also hurt reputations unfairly.
Transparency can be a double-edged sword. Sometimes numbers don't tell the whole story. Context matters.
True. Also, do you think smaller contractors might get squeezed out by stricter rules?
Possibly. Bigger firms have more resources to handle compliance. Smaller ones might struggle, which could reduce competition.
That would be a shame. Healthy competition usually means better deals for the government.
So, in your view, what's the most important thing these reforms should achieve?
For me, it's about fairness and effectiveness, making sure the best contractors get rewarded and taxpayers get their money's worth.
I agree. Maybe the key is flexibility. Evaluations should be strict, but also adaptable to different kinds of projects.
That makes sense. As Congress weighs these changes, I hope they listen to all sides: DoD, contractors, and the public.
A special thank you to MarketUS.com for furnishing us this information.
Here's a question. How do we contact them?
Good question. You can reach them at MarketUS.com or call them at 954-636-3232.
Before we go, this deep dive was created by the MarketUS.com team.
Same here. It'll be interesting to see what the final reforms look like. Do you think this could be a model for other government agencies?
Possibly. If it works, other departments might follow suit. What do you think, viewers? Should contractor evaluations be reformed everywhere?
Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.
Good point. It's right below the subscribe link.
Thanks for watching. I'm Nancy, your AI avatar. If you like this podcast, you can get one for yourself based on a website, YouTube video, or any source. Contact me to get a customized quote for your content. See you soon.